Oh my God, it's so great. Look at all these amazing packages that we got this week. Tom was out of town at New York Comic Con, and we ended up getting an amazing amount of boxes. And since Tom is the only one that actually has the key to the post office box, we couldn't do a mail call until now. So Tom, thanks for coming back. We're going to be able to jump into this. We got a bunch of packages, and all of us are going to be opening a lot of things today. So again, thank you so much to the comic community. Thank you everyone on YouTube, Instagram. Thank you for everyone. You guys are doing a great job, and we really appreciate it. All of this stuff is going to be given back out.
Before we actually open any of these packages, make sure you go down to the bottom of the page, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ding that bell.
Ooh, please do it.
Ding-a-ling-ling.
Ding-a-ling-ling. And we have a bunch of packages, so we got to jump into it. I have no voice, so you guys are going to have to help me out here.
It's okay.
All right.
All right, let's do it. Everyone, let's go. Let's make it happen. So the first one here, this one says Tom and gang. Here's a little something to give back to the IG fam. Hope it brightens someone's day. Thanks for everything and geek responsibly. This is from Dax, our homie, Panel Punks.
Hey, we know you.
Ooh, and P.S. the GL31 is for Tom. Oh, fucking Punks, dude. First thing he puts a note. Sorry, I didn't have a Turok, but look what he put. Soup 687.
Awesome. So we're going to turn so many of these unwanted and unloved comics from the 90s into just memes. Because we have the coaster meme, we have the auto-include meme. Everyone needs an Action Comics number 667.
He sent an all red, the JLA 31, the all red variant.
Oh, that's hot.
Thank you, my buddy.
Very, very cool.
Dude, I've been looking for this.
Tom loves
Thank
all
you.
red.
I do. I really do. Oh, wow. Check it out.
That is nice.
But what, though? Russ, you know.
Beautiful Venom Lethal Protector. I love that one. Oh, it is the one. It's a newsstand.
Newsstand variant.
Very cool.
Someone's going to love this in their mail call.
I know.
Dude,
someone
that is so nice of you. This is like a $50 comic book right now.
It's great. A lot of those Venoms are going for a ton right now. And even after that awful movie,
World's
I think
Finest
it's
80.
Nice.
Damn, homie. All right, I got to bust through this, but ooh, hush heart.
Very cool.
All right, what else we got? Star Wars 1.
Number 1, yeah.
I love that.
And that's a first print.
Ooh, yeah, this one's gorgeous, too.
Oh, nice.
50.
I don't know what shop variant that is, but I've seen those before. Those are really cool.
Scarecrow, heck yeah. That's classic, man. I love that book. Red Sonja. We have the Kate's San Diego Comic Con variant. That's dope, too.
Nice. Everyone loves those.
Ooh, this one's signed. And then we have the Mignola Batgirl. Oh, my gosh,
very
man.
cool.
That is so kind of you, man. There's a lot of...
Is that a
nice
Cullen Bunn signature on that one?
Is it?
Tell me.
I think it is. Looks like it.
Maybe.
It says C. It's C.
Yeah.
It looks like it.
the
C and B.
He's the only person whose name starts with a C.
I'll start by saying this is from Brian Turner at Comic Books and Things on Instagram. What's up, guys? So glad I discovered you on those long nights staying at the hospital with my 5-year-old girl who had just been diagnosed with leukemia. She still talks about the awesome package you sent her. I do remember this happening.
Yeah,
right.
very cool.
Hope you had success in NYC with the hunt. I've sent you some of my faves to get out to the comic community. You did a video a while back talking about supporting the indie comic community. With the massive success of this franchise, it's kind of hard to think of it as an indie book, but it started indie, and within its realm of black and white comics, it remains an indie book, with its last issue having a print run of only 1,000.
Very cool.
I want to open this up before that gets revealed as to what it is by reading that letter any further. If I die, it's going to be while recording one of these. Oh, goodness. TMNT.
Heck yeah.
I still haven't read any Ninja Turtles.
Very good.
Wow. Okay, yep. Some
Very
April
cool.
O'Neil, and there's like, was that single issues in here? There's like Michelangelo stuff.
Love me some TMNT.
I think it's right behind me.
And the comic fam's going to love it, too.
Yeah, definitely.
Very cool, man. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you to send something.
So I've got one over here that is from Big Will, and the note says, "This slab is special. My channel is new and small, so I'm giving this slab to you for educational purposes and a good laugh. You'll see why. P.S. Also a complete run of Black Terror with many variants. Do what you will with them. And I'm going to cover up the slab real quickly. But these Black Terror variants are absolutely, absolutely cool. It's a very cool thing. It feels very much like a Golden Age type superhero. All of this Black Terror stuff. Dynamite released it a few years ago. This would be very, very cool. All of these variants would be awesome, and people just really need to be into this. So big, fat run of everything Black Terror. This is nice. There must be 20 books there. Thank you very much, Big Will. And then we have a Daredevil 77, which is 5.5, graded by PGX.
Uh-oh. That can't be good. How do you know that's really a 5.5?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Okay.
I've never seen a PGX
Oh
slab
my
before.
gosh, he just sent us a PGX.
He did. This was graded 718.
So good.
Tom, I would like you to look at the date under Daredevil 77. What date does it say it was made? Not that it was graded, not the 718. Look at the underneath.
Oh, dude, this was... You didn't think that this was made
From
in 1987?
Right. Yep.
Who would have thought?
Straight up on the slab says it's a comic from 1987.
Mistakes
Thank you, PGX.
happen. Mistakes happen, including really, really rusty staples for a
5.5.
5.5. Like
Yeah, with
incredibly rusty
Off-white
staples.
cream pages. Big Will, this is awesome.
This
We're
is-
laughing internally.
this is really
And I'm
good.
actually laughing.
No, I was.
This
this
is
is
awesome.
funny as hell, man. This is my first PGX book to be in this room. I've never had a PGX book.
I
in
have
here.
never owned a PGX book either. So CGC is now running a crossover special. So we might have to actually get that crossed and see if they'll get the date right.
Oh, and see what grade they put it at.
Right? Which would be good.
That'd be good. That's hilarious. I'm so stoked about you sending that, my friend. Thank you so much.
This is awesome. You can tell that they printed this out on their own computer
Yeah.
and like taped that by hand. This is awesome.
In their living room.
In their living room.
Hey,
yes.
we know they have computers. You put it in the note.
They have computers now, which
Rest
is
assured.
Big Will, thank you.
Thank you. This is.
Yeah, that's a
dying, man.
recent grade too. It said it was graded 7 of 18, so that was graded in July of this year.
Oh, it's their new
So
grader.
This is their new grader.
Oh, he's killing it.
Yep.
He's killing it, man.
Oops.
Dear Comic Tom and crew, by the time you... All right, let's see what it says here. It says, Dear Comic Tom and crew, by the time you receive this package, you should have returned.
It will already be too late.
Yeah,
I mean, by the time you receive this, I'll be dead.
Your dog is now Mrs.
Sorry.
I hope you had a good time. I have been to New York City Comic Con numerous times and actually find it a bit too commercial and extremely overcrowded. 150,000 people on Saturday is no small soiree. This year was the first time I attended Baltimore Comic Con. I must say it was the best con I've ever attended. From Adams to Capullo and Simonson to Simonson, BCC is a gem of the East Coast. The con is who and who in the comic book industry. I wanted to give back, and he just goes through a bunch of the stuff that he put in here.
Ah, spoilers.
But we're going to just hold off and see what's in here.
John Fiorelli at Zan and Jaina on Twitter. Shout out to Brave New Worlds, my LCS, Willow Grove, Pennsylvania.
All right, let's see what John sent us.
Let's do it.
Ooh,
It's a lady.
very cool. All right, so we got the Baltimore Comic Con Liberty Brigade.
Cool. Nice.
The annual, that's very cool. We have this Baltimore Comic Con exclusive.
Oh,
1 in
that's Mortal
350.
Kombat?
That is, yeah, that looks like what, the Sub-Zero variant?
I don't play Mortal Kombat.
Yeah, it is. It's a Sub-Zero variant. That's
Yeah,
really cool.
that is hot.
Shout out
Oh,
Mr.
nice.
Gigi. And then we have Red Sonja.
Oh, is that Amy?
It
Amy Chu?
is- That's Amy Chu. I recognize that signature. And then we have a brand new indie publisher, Cave. Very cool. I'm stoked. That is really nice. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, friend. Do appreciate that, John.
Yeah, those Mortal Kombat variants are really looking good, so that is awesome. Someone will really appreciate that in the mail call.
Very cool. Thank you so much. And super excited to send these out to the community. The stack is getting huge, guys. It's crazy.
Making it too easy.
All right, what do we got over there, Ryan?
Dear Tom, my name is Cody, and I live in Nashua, New Hampshire.
That's where, Holly
have-
lives there.
Literally the other side of the country. It's pretty literal. I've been following on social media and watching the videos for only a short time now, but wow, you guys are blowing up and dropping knowledge bombs in the community left and right. Very dope indeed, and we appreciate the fuck out of it. You guys reignited my desire to collect, and it's now more fun than ever. I just signed up for the mystery mail call a few days before sending you your mystery mail call. Hoot.
Thank you so much. Ryan.
Oh, it's exciting. Let's open it. Let's see what's up. There's a lot more to that letter, but I'm going to... Batman Ninja Turtles
Heck yeah.
and issue 4 of the current Amazing Spider-Man run.
Very good.
Oh, nice.
That was very nice of you. Thank you so much.
What variants are those? Those are...
Here, Ryan. You or Russ, not Ryan.
I'm looking.
He is Russ.
You get Russ.
A couple more.
Crazy stuff, though. But
going
yes,
on here?
I do love that Mike Allred cover.
Oh my gosh.
Did a sketch. Is that
Set
an
into
original?
eternity. I'm not sure what that's a sketch of.
It's very cool.
I'm just not sure.
It's Hellboy.
Is it
It's
Hellboy?
the horns.
Oh yeah.
I know,
yeah.
brother.
HB.
I know.
Oh yeah.
It's from the Healthy Hobbit, by the way. I didn't mention that.
Healthy
on
Hobbit.
Instagram.
Very cool.
It's a cool dude.
Oh, okay. Real quick from Daniel Hansen. I have to show off the back of this box first off. How dope is that?
Yeah, it's really dope.
I wish I had talent.
Yeah.
You know?
That's like a Sharpie and a half worth of Sharpie on that box too.
This is crazy.
He
Thank you
spent
so
a
much.
long amount of time
I didn't
doing
even
that.
notice that until just now. I'm like,
Yeah.
hold up. I have
Wait a
to put
minute.
this on the camera, man.
Yeah,
Look at
it's
this.
super cool.
All right.
Doomsday Clock.
Ooh.
Looks like a pencil sketch.
Yeah, I think that was the midnight variant. So that's going to be a little bit tougher to find. That's a great one.
Batman Creature of the Night, Book 1.
Such a good read. I recommend it highly. Yeah, it's a 3-book series. People are really, really digging it. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Very good.
Marvel 2-in-1.
Heck yeah.
Thing and
Everyone
the Human Torch.
can use a little Marvel 2-in-1 in their collection.
It's like one half of the Fantastic Four.
Okay, we got another one that came from Rodney the Rican Colon.
Hey.
And this says,
Rican in his
Comic
comics.
Tom, enjoy this comic signed by Jim Lee.
Ooh.
Thank you, brother.
Okay.
What do we got?
Immortal Man #1, but it's signed in gold. And this is a nice and bold Jim Lee signature. A lot of times, his signature almost always looks the same, but this is, I mean, look at how sharp that is.
Yeah,
It's
I mentioned
really, really
that
nice.
I mentioned that I don't have anything signed by Jim Lee. And he's like, I'm going to send you something signed by Jim Lee. I
awesome.
remember
That
he
is
messaged
super
me about
cool.
that. So thank you so much, man. And you have a really good YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description. Just a Rican in his comics.
That's easy.
Yeah. From a fellow Rican. Thank you. What?
I'm prepared.
Oh, you're cheating. You're looking ahead.
Uh-oh.
This is my last package that I have here to open from Eric in Ontario, Canada.
Yes.
Dazzler 21.
That's
Hell
right.
yeah.
He did put Dazzler in there.
Right?
And to that person who got really irritated with me about putting Dazzler in a video, you can suck it.
I love
cool.
Dazzler.
Yeah.
Special double size issue, no less. That's a cool cover, too.
Oh, that's the first Venom cover right there.
Spider-Man 346. Yeah, that Bizarro cover was crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you
That
so
is
much, man.
cool.
That's so cool.
World's finest.
Cool little prestige there, yeah.
Shazam.
Ooh,
Topical.
nice.
We just saw a trailer for that when we went to
I
see
know
Venom
that
today.
movie's coming out. All those things are spiking really now. Anything with Shazam, anything Black Adam is definitely doing really well right now.
Keep your eyes open, people.
Awesome. Wow.
Incredible Hulk.
So many good books.
Avengers. Hercules. Oh, man.
Oh, man. And the
DC versus Marvel.
the whole run there.
1, 2, 3, and 4. I've always wanted to read these. I never have.
It's
have to
worth
read them.
reading, and it's great because Marvel was going bankrupt and DC bought them, and then they decided to do a bunch of things collaboratively so they could both make money and Marvel would be less bankrupt. All right, this is the last one we've got today. This one actually came from Frank Scrima. Thank you so much, Frank. And this says, Tom, Russ, and the gang, greetings from Boston, MA. 40-year collector and a longtime lover. Never in my wildest dreams had I anticipated the hobby becoming as popular as it became and continues to grow. I've been fortunate to pick up some great books, and I'd like to share some comic book karma, so hopefully you can send these out to a lucky subscriber.
It's a real thing.
Fantastic. Again, thank you so much. And we've got some great-looking books in here. This Edge of Venom verse.
Ooh, yeah.
That is a hot cover.
Patootie.
We have Captain America limited variant cover, the Hulk variant for $6.98. It's a nice World's Finest 257. What? These are the Brian Boland Wonder Woman covers. Those are super
great.
cool. I
Love it.
those. Yep.
Very good.
Still amazes me. Like, this is never going to get old, I think. Opening these on camera.
It's good. One of it's great because, again, it's the comic book karma and everyone in the community. So, again, thank you so much. Like, subscribe down below, comment down below, and yeah, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks again.
As always.
Geek responsibly.
Enough.
Said. Thank you so much for watching that video. I was so sick. No worries, I'm doing tons better now. But I want to give a reminder that Sunday at 5:30, we do our podcast live here on YouTube, Pacific Standard Time, and I hope to see you there tomorrow, 5:30. Woo!